Right, bit of a channel update for everybody. So first off, I'd like to thank everybody who's subscribed, and in general I'd just like to thank everybody for watching the videos and liking and sharing. I never thought that me doing videos on maintaining or rebuilding a Land Rover would be so popular as what they've become. So a massive thank you to everybody for that. You're probably wondering why I'm stood next to a Freelander. So with regards to the channel and the way it's going, I'm trying to make content for everybody, not just Defender owners. It is a Land Rover. So my mum's got a Td4 Freelander and I do maintain that, and in all fairness it's probably been the best car she's ever had. I think she's had it about 14 years now and it's been a superb little car. Bearing in mind that did replace a 300 TDI 110 Defender, so it did have its work cut out for it. So my friend rang me the other day and said his next door neighbour's got a Freelander and it's making a terrible knocking noise or banging noise when he's driving down the road. So he's had a quick look at it and he's not sure what's wrong. So I had a look and the transfer box is gone. So he says, I've had enough of it, I'm going to scrap it. So I said, well, my mum's got a Freelander, so if you're going to scrap it, I won't mind buying it off you. So here it is. So I bought it for spares for her mum's, because it's got some nice accessories on it actually. I mean, it's got a few dents on the bull bar, but genuine spotlights, the genuine light guards, and that's rear as well. But also, I thought it would be good for the channel, just to get not just a Freelander on, but obviously I'm going to start and strip it for bits. So whatever I do sell off this Freelander will actually be pumped back into the channel, just to help grow and buy equipment and help with projects really. So one for the Freelander owners, if there's anything that you'd like to do, just leave a comment and ask. And yeah, my mum's is getting ready for a little bit of work actually. The rear door's decided this week it doesn't want to open anymore, but it was rotten anyway and it is a common problem. The other problem is they knock when they go over bumps, and that is the anti-roll bar drop links. I don't know how many times I've replaced them, but they're due again now and it's knocking quite bad. So I need to get that done. So when I do get some time, this will be the channel car, well, to help with the channel. So I've had a look around it just to see what sort of condition it is in, and the reason the transfer box has smashed itself to bits is because of the prop shaft seizing up. They've got, I forgot what it's called now, I think it's a VCV. Basically it's like a torque converter type thing on the prop shaft, and that allows a little bit of slippage so that you can go around corners. That's seized up, it's put too much pressure on the transfer box, so it's just stripped the gears. So I've had a look around it to see what sort of condition it's in, and it's been well used, very well used. They had horses on an allotment, so it's been going down in allotments. The sill's rotten on this side, the whole headline is falling off. It's just, inside's very scruffy. It's too far gone. That's the reason it's going to get stripped down for parts, because there's no point spending some money on it and it's worth more than the actual car. So for starting, it needs a prop shaft and a transfer box. You're talking what, £400 there for a decent one. The car's only worth 500, and then there's the interior, it's just a mess, so it's just not worth it. So that's the reason it's getting stripped. So as regards the Puma, quick update on the Puma as well. Once the front end's complete, I'm going to put the wheel arches on and do the rear brakes. I've already done the half shafts, so to get the discs off I've got to take them out anyway, so I'll be doing a full complete review of the new half shafts that I bought for it because they're uprated. There's new brake pipes to do on the rear axle as well as the disc pads and the calipers are shot as well. So there's all that to come. I will be then working from the back forward, but I'll probably get the MOT done first so I can move it round, and because there's some bodywork that needs respraying on the back and the B pillars as well. so at least I can take it there before I then put it completely back together, as it needs to be stripped down for the bodywork. So there's a couple of bits more to do. The heated screen, I need to find one of those, as well as the condenser. When I take it for the MOT, it's going to be a completely standard looking Land Rover. I'm not going to put it back to how I had it until I've got the test on it. So there's a bit of a surprise coming once I've got the MOT out of the way and I can put it back to how I had it before the clutch went, because it looks completely different to a standard Defender. So just a quick update for everybody, and again thank you so much for liking and subscribing to the videos. I'm glad that they help you out, that's the whole point of them, and I like to hear your comments. Thank you very much.